Should we start?
Hi, my name is Yinsi and I work for the sales and customer service for SACLAB. The reason I started working for SACLAB is because SACLAB advocates the circular luxury, which is a necessity for our future, not just the next cool thing to do. And it makes so much sense for luxury items because they can last for generations. My favorite thing in this work is when the clients are so happy with their purchase, especially when the clients have talked to me for a while and then I sent so many photos. I shared my knowledge for the bag, and when he or she is very happy with this purchase, then yeah, it's really the favorite part of this job for me. Well, for someone who just started a collection of luxury handbags, I would recommend a very chic Chanel bag here. So at first glance, it looks quite classic. But if you look at the hardware, it's very chunky and it has this very aged effect. So it has a modern twist to it. The outfit that I feel most of myself would be a nice dress. If it's summer, it could be with like flower print and then with a blazer. That's it. Or do I have to talk about shoes? Oh, with a bag. Yeah, I have to talk about a bag.
Yeah.
Well, on the top of my list should be a mini Kelly. And for example, I can show you this one. It is a vintage Kelly 20, which is quite small. It's in black and with this very iconic box cuff and gold hardware. Do you know that it takes around 20 hours for a craftsman in Hermes to make a Kelly, and the craftsmanship is really exceptional. Yeah, and speaking of authenticity, girls, I just made very authentic Chinese cakes and they're in the fridge, so go and grab some after the filming.